What's going on, guys? We've got our SDHQ Bronco back in the shop. We're gonna add a little bit of form and a whole lot of function to the back of this thing. Our friends over at Goose hooked us up with some of their products. We've got their rear plate system, their 1.3 ice box, and a single drawer module gonna go on the back of this thing. Let's go ahead, get the guys over here and get this stuff installed. And just like that, we've got our Goose gear installed in the back of our Bronco. We've got our ARB fridge in there. We did a little bit of custom work on our flip down table. And while our guys were installing the Goose gear, we also had them drop in a set of RCV's front axles for the Bronco. These front axles are bigger and badder to help take care of any of that additional rolling mass we've got, as well as any strain during off-roading. Make sure to stay tuned because we've got a few extra ponies to add to this Bronco. Like always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.